I thought I was the only crazy person out in this storm. Good morning. 2.5 days of the storm now. Gale, whatever you want to call it, heavy weather. Corycia's leaned right over. She's covered in, I think, Saharan sand from one side, or wherever it's from. And it just doesn't seem to be stopping. Last night there was a thunderstorm and the lightning and everything, and now the clouds are cleared a bit, but it's still just mad, really. In some ways worse. I've drifted maybe 25 miles away from the direction I was going in, and it looks as though it's going to be more. So I've got my genoa destroyed. I've only got this little jib. I haven't got an engine. The outboard's broken. The oars on my dinghy have come off. I'm going to have to make some decisions. I don't know if I can go forward. I might have to go and get some repairs done. I don't think the radio works. What to do? I'm gonna hang on until this storm abates. That's a good word, isn't it? Abates. And then we'll see where I am in the Med. I mean, I've drifted so far away from where I'm going. I'm gonna, I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, caught between a storm and a calm place.